Are you wondering if these cheap E99 and E88 drones are actually waterproof and can actually use them in the rain? So actually, to a certain extent you can. So if there is a very light like mist outside and very light like simply damp outside, you can actually use it and have it just flying it outside. So it doesn't really have much problems there. But if it's actually raining, even a little bit of rain, do not fly this outdoors, as it's actually properly exposed. If you actually check up close, as you can see, everything is open on this drone, and basically any rain droplets can get, and obviously will get inside in this drone, and it will completely destroy. And same for the remote, as you can see, it's actually open here. So yeah, do not actually use these in rain. On the bottom here you can see it's actually totally exposed. So again, maybe if there's small light mist outside, then maybe you can use it for a short moment if you simply want to check it out. But again, it's cheap Chinese in quality and it's not waterproof at all. Also, maybe you can even see inside, not sure, probably can't, but you can see it's everything is exposed there, and it has got zero like protection against any water or rain, unlike some like higher end expensive drones from DJI. Anyway, good luck.